Introverts, have you ever dealt with a sneaky coworker who takes credit for your work, spreads rumors, or subtly sabotages you? You know, the type who plays dirty but somehow always gets away with it. Well, today, I'm giving you a legal playbook on how to fight back, without raising your voice, losing your cool, or becoming the villain. Let's talk about using corporate policies and legal strategies to turn the tables, the introvert way. First, let's be real, introverts are often underestimated at work. You're not the loudest voice in the room, and you don't play office politics. Because you focus on work rather than drama, toxic people think they can walk all over you. But what they don't realize is, introverts are incredible strategists. You observe, you analyze, and, when necessary, you strike with precision. The key is to use corporate policies, HR protocols, and legal safeguards to expose toxic behavior and protect yourself. So, let's break it down. Rule number 1. Paper trails win battles. If a coworker is targeting you, document everything. Save emails, chat messages, and any written proof of their actions. If they badmouth you in meetings, write down the date, time, and witnesses. Keep copies of your own work in case they try to take credit. Why? Because HR and legal departments don't act on feelings, they act on evidence. If you present a well-organized timeline of misconduct, you control the narrative. Next, know your company's policies better than your boss. Read the employee handbook. Find out what counts as harassment, bullying, or policy violations. Use compliance policies to highlight unethical behavior. If a coworker is spreading lies about you, that could be defamation. If they're taking credit for your work, that's intellectual property theft within the company. Instead of reacting emotionally, quote the exact policy they're breaking and take it to HR with evidence. Human resources isn't your friend, but they can be a powerful tool. Most companies want to avoid lawsuits and scandals. If you position your case as a company liability rather than just personal drama, they'll take it more seriously. Here's how you do it. 1. Be professional and concise when filing complaints. 2. Frame the issue as a workplace disruption, not just a personal grievance. 3. Use language like, this behavior is affecting productivity, morale, and compliance with company policy. By keeping emotions out of it and focusing on company interests, you increase your chances of action being taken. Sometimes, corporate policies aren't enough. If things escalate, understand your legal rights. Check local labor laws on workplace harassment and defamation. If you're being sabotaged, document financial or reputational damage. This can be legal leverage. Consider consulting an attorney if your case involves discrimination or hostile work conditions. You don't have to threaten legal action, just knowing your rights and subtly mentioning them can be enough to make toxic coworkers back off. And finally, the power move that introverts excel at, patience and precision. While toxic people react emotionally, you wait, observe, and strike when the moment is right. When you've gathered enough evidence and positioned your case correctly, you can make your move at the time that benefits you most. Expose their behavior right before performance reviews. File HR complaints when a company is dealing with external audits. If necessary, quietly start looking for a better job while setting up their downfall. Controlled silence is powerful. Let them think you're doing nothing, while you're actually setting up their corporate checkmate. Introverts, you are not powerless at work. You don't need to yell, argue, or play petty games. You win by being smarter, more prepared, and using the system against those who abuse it. For more introverted insights, check out The Strategic Introvert by clicking the link below.